We got a flat tire again.
The second time. We were where? Like right there?
Yeah, right here.
Oh my god.
I think I would know.
What happened, Daniel?
We got a flat tire again.
The second time. Getting it fixed.
It's
And hopefully we should be on our way to Wisconsin.
to see the biggest
the biggest Culvers.
Cut to a photo.
Of the biggest Culvers? Okay,
right
it'll be right there. Yeah, we arrived. House at the Rock.
First event.
Oh, who's that guy right there?
How crazy it looks.
Yeah.
Stop moving! I almost got it. So pretty. I don't know over this. Let me see. You like it?
Oh my god. Bro is straight spitting.
Good one.
Thanks, Vivian.
That was a good.
Oh, what was that?
How creepy.
That was a little creepy.
Hold your head, Alex.
This is really cool.
Alex always.
It's a kitchen. So cool.
Nope, kitchen.
Imagine living here. Oh,
Bro, this would be such a
Yeah, you wouldn't live here now.
I would live here. Not specifically this room, but I would
No,
live
I
in
think
this house.
you would live in this room. This is really cool.
Where would I sleep?
The kitchen, man? I don't know.
The kitchen?
Can we open this?
Oh, sorry, you don't want to share. You know, bro. I'm gonna scare you, Nelly. Be ready.
I'm ready. Oh, she's not there. I thought she was there.
What did I say? What did I say?
I saw her, but I pretended she wasn't there.
I was good.
There's no outside. There wasn't no outside. With my balls.
Whoa!
Look how chill this is. Bro knows the chill life.
Bro, imagine pulling up here.
That's what I'm
Oh my goodness.
My dog.
Whoa. This is like the stopping point, right?
Yeah.
Or else it gets too dangerous.
That's not that's not a mirror. That's like glass. You can look right through it. Look
Oh my
at you can look
goodness.
down there too. So this whole thing over here doesn't have any support beams.
Yeah, we're literally in air, no support whatsoever.
Well, there's a counterbalance. Stay in the middle.
It looks really nice.
Hey Max, have you seen the ground?
Yep, we were where? Like right there?
Yeah, right here. And then it cuts. Yeah, you're right there. It cuts off, and then that's the
This is
entire.
the part that we can't go on. Yeah, the infinity. It's pretty cool. This is cool. That's all you're thinking about? Oh my god, that one's so clear.
Oh, that was a video?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Why did you tell me?
Look at the rose. Maybe you'll find your true love here.
Hello. Guys! Oh my goodness. Whoa. How does it look?
This looks insane.
It's insane. We're in a dream. Look at this little house.
Try one time. One time.
There's more? Oh my goodness.
maybe like you're eating and then you're like.
We're back outside.
We were looking at the end.
Gift shop. Just walked all of that. Wow, looks really pretty. Wow, I'm assuming this is a Japanese garden. Maybe. This is it, Daniel.
Event 1 out of 8. Put that in the counter in the corner.
Event number 1 finished.
Number 2, number dos,
Number
the
dos.
beach.
We're gonna heading to the beach and eating.
Recycling or trash? Why did you put one
One in
in?
each.
There was 2.
What?
There was 3. You put.
All right, bye bye, House on the Rock. How long were we here?
We were here for like 4 hours. Okay. Cut to the beach
And
right
cut.
now. Okay. Now
Yeah.
we're at the beach.
So how's the beach so far?
Pretty good. We played some shark game, and Isaac lost the game.
We're gonna play volleyball soon.
Volleyball. He's a fan of volleyball.
I'm the biggest fan of volleyball.
He is a big fan of volleyball.
Yeah.
My hair's all over the place.
Oh, look at those muscles. You better keep that in. Ooh. Ooh. Now, we're gonna go to our last and final event of the night.
But before that, we're gonna just.
We're gonna eat. Better keep that in. Better keep that in the vlog.
All the ladies are gonna comment. He's
They'll be
single.
flocking.
He's single.
Yeah, he's a single man. Single Pringle right here. They'll eat him up. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna be at the hotel. I'll do it.
Okay. Okay.
Bye.
We're at the ghost tour. We just got a presentation from someone that's 165 years old.
I'm gonna drown somebody.
Oh my god.
Come on to Ghost Boat, bottom deck. How you guys doing today? Top deck too. How are you guys doing? Some taps.
So we're going into the tavern
Yeah.
where that
We need to make our
one
danger
man,
sign.
almost no one came out alive except one man, right?
This man right here.
No. Yeah, this man.
But another man, yes.
I think I would know.
We're literally going into like pitch black with like one light. Isn't
We're
that
into the
fun?
cavern.
Guys.
I'm okay, guys. I'm all good. I'm just gonna hold on to your shirt.
That actually scared me.
Scoot over. We're not scared of you, bro. We're not scared. We're not scared. Go in the front. Just go. You guys go in the front. Hey, you guys got it though. You guys got it.
I'm holding on to your shirt, Daniel. I'm too scared. Oh.
We're good. We're good.
We're good. We're good. We're good.
Wait, there might be stuff
Nothing will
over
pop out of that box.
I'm scared. If something touches my fucking feet, I'm gonna scream.
I think they can touch your feet. That would be so bad.
Oh my god, it's so tight in here. Look, I'm literally holding onto his shirt, gripping onto his shirt. Oh god, we're walking in a brew.
Alex, did you guys, we're not afraid, guys. Guys, come on, come on. We're not afraid. Max, go in the front.
Alex!
How's it going?
Alex! What did you call me, Alex?
There is no escape.
Daniel, I don't want to be first. I don't want to be first. No, please, I don't want to be first. Isaac, over there.
Well, yeah, I'm here. You did the challenge.
All right, so what did you guys think of that trail?
That was pretty bad.
Show my state right now.
Yeah, you're sweating.
I was so scared in there. Oh, I was so scared.
You can see the sweat. Look at the sweat.
I'm dripping in sweat. Oh my goodness.
That was bad. That was bad. Why did we go first?
We were at the very beginning, and we also lost everyone behind us. Like you could hear them over there. So it was like
we literally sped run it.
we were just by ourselves.
Oh, I'm
That
sweating.
was so good when we were, then it was just quiet and it was just us.
I know.
So we're done with the boat.
The ghost tour.
Now we're gonna go eat because we're hungry,
Yes.
and then we're gonna go to the hotel.
Isaac, eat a burger. We're gonna transition into that.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, it's 1 a.m. dinner.
There is a lot that happened between that transition.
Yeah, it's 1 a.m. now.
1 a.m.
I want fries.
He's got fries.
We got fries. We got
And he's got those
McDonald's.
tenders.
We are dying. We have to get up at 7 in the morning. We're really tired, but we're still up because we're dumb.
And
We're signal.
it's been fun though.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That could have been so bad.
Thank God.
Nelly, what the hell?
Yeah, you got that on camera too.
My food, I just saw I just watched all my chicken tenders, yeah.
I saw it flying in the air.
I was like, I don't have the energy to say it. Just please don't go.
You just watched it.
Yeah, I couldn't
You both just looked at it.
Guys, I'm so tired.
Yeah.
I already spilled your orange
You
juice.
spilled my orange.
There's a stain on the bed. I didn't think it was gonna bounce.
It's gonna be belly flop, it's better. We both just watched it. I had no energy to save it.
You're ready to lose it all.
Yeah, I was hoping.
Where's Toby? There's gonna be a couple of us going crazy.
Is this recording?
It is recording.
Oh.
We wake up in less than 6 hours. 5 and a
Yeah.
half.
After they leave, I still have to shower
That's crazy.
and then hop back into bed,
I
have
think
6
I'm
hours
going
of
to
sleep.
lay in bed and immediately pass out.
What if I just
I'm gonna get up right at 8,
what if I throw water?
Like right before.
right before we
What
leave.
if I throw water at you guys
Well,
at 6 in the morning?
What if I grab you and dunk you in the sink and just?
I'd be tastes good.
Yeah, that's good. You can drink it all.
Yeah, drink all the water in the sink.
I've tried it before.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me show the.
Oh.
Oh my goodness!
What the
I was
hell?
trying to get camera.
That wasn't anywhere near the
I
camera.
know,
You almost
I
headshot.
did.
Oh my god, the battery's running low. Good thing I'm gonna charge the camera batteries for day 2 tomorrow. Anyways, that was day 1. We'll probably go to sleep after this. Bye bye.
Oh, see
Bye.
you in day 2.